How to fix Facebook Messenger notification but no message. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the search icon. Now tap on the search bar and type Messenger. Now tap on search and tap on Messenger. And make sure to update to the latest version. Now once you are done, go back to the home screen and open up settings on your device. Scroll down the notification panel and tap on the settings icon. Now scroll down and tap on apps. Now go to app management. Now simply tap on the search bar and type Messenger. Now tap on Messenger. Now click on Force Stop. Now go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Now tap on delete and go back. Now tap on manage notifications. Now simply enable this toggle. Now turn off this toggle and re-enable it. Now restart Messenger. I hope this should fix the issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.